Start your day right with avocado bacon egg cups for keto weight loss. Welcome back to our kitchen. Today we have a tasty and healthy breakfast recipe that will kickstart your day and help with your keto weight loss journey. Introducing delicious avocado bacon egg cups. It's a combination of creamy avocados, savory bacon, and protein-packed eggs, all in one perfectly portioned cup. To make these mouth-watering cups, start by slicing the avocados in half and removing the pit. Scoop a bit of avocado out to create a well for the filling. Next, wrap each avocado half with a strip of crispy bacon and secure it with a toothpick. Now crack an egg into each avocado half, being careful not to overflow the well. The rich, runny yolk will complement the creamy avocado and smoky bacon flavors perfectly. Place the prepared avocado bacon egg cups onto a baking sheet and pop them into a preheated oven. Let them bake for about 15 minutes or until the egg whites are cooked through and the yolks are still slightly runny. Once they're done, remove the baking sheet from the oven and let the cups cool for a few minutes. Sprinkle some salt and pepper on top for that extra burst of flavor. Gently remove the toothpicks from the avocado bacon egg cups and let them rest for a moment before diving in. They're tender, creamy, and packed with nutrients to keep you full and energized throughout the day. So, start your day right with these delicious avocado bacon egg cups, the perfect keto-friendly breakfast option for weight loss. They're satisfying, easy to make, and will fuel your body with the right nutrients. Thanks for joining us in the kitchen today. We hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tasty and healthy ideas. Happy cooking, and we'll see you next time.